This video demonstrates how to check weather data on your Garmin watch, allowing you to instantly access cloud coverage, temperature, and wind speed information. Let's get started. Your watch's weather data syncs with Garmin Connect, so make sure your watch is connected to the Garmin Connect app to get the latest weather updates. Swipe up on the watch face to access the Weather Glance, where you'll find all the basic weather information, including temperature, hourly forecast, daily forecast, 12-hour trend, and air quality. On the map page, you can track weather changes in your location for the past 3 hours. Press the Start button. Select Change Overlay. You'll see 3 options: cloud coverage, temperature, and wind speed. Choose the information you want to view. After making your selection, tap Play to see weather changes over the past 3 hours. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to track the weather on your Garmin watch. If your watch isn't displaying weather data, we recommend referring to the Troubleshooting Unable to Show Weather on My Watch 2.0 tutorial video. For more details, please visit support.garmin.com.